greensandmachines.com.
Hey folks, let's give a quick run through. It is June and here's the hydroponic garden. I don't really have too much up top, but I'm planning on putting a lot of new basil transplants in here. Basil transplants coming from these actually massive plants. You can see there's a lot of stem to work with, so it's very easy to get clones off these. And I've got maybe about like 6 of the plants so far. Talk about that for unlimited basil, huh? These kale plants, big leaves, very big leaves. It's been over 100 degrees for many of the days in the past week. Today it's a lot cooler, but they've been getting stressed out a lot. And this system has been consuming a ton of water too. Swiss Chard's actually seeming to get established, at least the younger ones, or the older ones. The younger ones, they kind of died to the heat, as you can see. I think my strategy going forward with this system is to continue to propagate basil into it, because getting anything started from seed is a lot slower than the growth I'm seeing from the basil here. I can get a ton of it. I can make pesto, make pizza, etc., etc. Now coming back on this side, we have this massive tomato plant, which has essentially colonized the entire growth channel it's in. I'm really contemplating ripping it out and putting it into a 5-gallon bucket I can find. But for the meantime, you can see that it's grown actually a ton of tomatoes. So I'm gonna leave it in here until I can get some tomatoes harvested off of it. I mean, hey, yeah, you can grow tomatoes with the NFT system. The problem is it'll take over the whole thing. So note to my future self to only grow them in DWC or Dutch bucket style systems. See here, I've got another clone that came off of it. And that plant is already grown too big for its own good. Oh yeah, remember that hydroponic mint? I don't know if you can see it in the shade. Please light focus. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this thing is actually thriving. I didn't think mint would do so well hydroponically. Get a leaf. Here's a mint leaf. So yeah, you can see the wind isn't even blowing the system over, but it might be blowing the phone out of my hand. In any case, we'll come back, check on this later, and I'll tell you more about basil and how I clone it in a future video. So be sure to subscribe to Greens and Machines, hit the like button if you like this video, and we'll see you in the next video.
Pete's sake.